Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that allow Swivl to be a very useful tool in education. If you don't know, a Swivl is just a recording mechanism. It's the stand that comes with this little white piece on top, and you connect any video recording equipment you have, an iPhone, an iPad, your Droid, it doesn't matter, a Surface, and it will automatically connect to that device and allow you to record your instruction without others needing to be in the room. And how does it work? It's pretty simple. So I have this marker that's on my neck, and this marker is connected to that swivel. And so if I hit record on my marker, the swivel is now recording a video. Now you'll notice the swivel is kind of looking off in that direction. If I hit this point in the middle of my marker, that then has the swivel start tracking this marker. So now, no matter where I go in this room, the swivel, as long as I'm within about 30 feet, will follow me around. And now around the room I have placed microphones that are the exact same as this one so that I can have audio coming from different places in the room. Now this is really useful because if I'm working in stations with my students, or if I have my students working in small groups, I might be interested in knowing what kind of conversations I'm having with my students. I might be interested in what kind of conversations my students are having. I might want to see if I'm asking the same level of rigor of questions for one group versus another. Or perhaps I've grouped my students based off ability and I want to see what kind of conversations they're having when I'm with them versus when I'm not with them. So what I've done is I've placed these markers all over, and the reason why this is super awesome is that when I upload this video, Swivl technology automatically separates these audio tracks and links them to the video so that I can then isolate different audio tracks and listen to just those students or listen to just myself if I'm looking at this marker. So what's really cool is, as you'll notice, I walk around this room, I have this swivel that I'm using to record is set not to track me. But you'll notice the one that I have on behind me will actually follow me around the room as I go to the different microphones that I have in the classroom. So as I talk to my students, this video recording equipment, and you'll notice sometimes it lags a little bit, but it catches up. So you might miss a second or two, but you're not going to miss much. It will actually follow you. It will go up and down as well. So if I come down here, it's going to try to center me, as well as if I try to go up, it's going to try to go up with me. So it does all those things depending on the level, so you can set it up and do those things. The nice thing is once I turn off the camera, so if I just hit record here, it's going to automatically ask me if I want to upload the video. I can name the video, I can trim the video, I can do all sorts of things. I can turn off the tracking so it's not annoying. And then I can hit done, and once I've hit done, it will automatically upload the video onto my software, onto my Swivl account. So if I get onto my computer, I log into my computer really quickly, maybe. I then notice, without doing anything, that this top left video is the one I just recorded. I can then go back, I can watch the video, I can isolate the tracks on the video, I can do a lot of really cool things that allow me to reflect on my instruction and to isolate kind of different types of thinking, and so that I can grow as a practitioner. Maybe I want to focus on my questioning one day, maybe the next day I want to know about engagement, maybe I want to look at different aspects of my instruction depending on the video. Well, the Swivl allows me to do that very easily, and it allows me to get effective both audio and visual recording.